The sun rises slowly over the quiet neighborhood.
The sky is painted with bright morning colors.
The birds are singing softly in the green trees.
It is a brand new day.
Inside the house, everything is very still.
The hallway is dark and quiet. Let us look inside Tom's bedroom. The bedroom window is closed.
Tom is fast asleep in his soft bed.
He is wearing his favorite red pajamas.
He is wrapped tightly in a thick blue blanket. His peaceful face is visible as he dreams soundly.
Beep, 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 beep. Ugh, what is that terrible noise?
Tom slowly opens one sleepy brown eye. I can't believe it's this early.
The bright light hurts his tired eyes.
I am so tired today. Just 5 more minutes. I don't want to get up.
Tom reaches his hand out from under the warm blanket.
Just 5 more minutes of sleep. I never want to leave. This dream is too beautiful to let go.
He does not want to go to school.
Good morning, world! Time for school, Tom. Are you awake yet? The sun is already up. I woke up early to pack my backpack, and I can't wait for school. It's gonna be a great day.
Chloe walks into the bright bathroom.
She carefully brushes her teeth with a pink toothbrush.
She washes her face with warm water.
She walks back to her bedroom to get dressed. Chloe puts on her neat, clean school uniform. She packs her yellow backpack with her books.
Chloe is completely ready for the day.
The bedroom door slowly opens.
Good morning, Tom. It is time to get up.
I am still sleeping, Mom. Go away.
You cannot sleep all day. You have school.
My bed is too warm and comfortable.
You need to eat breakfast and get dressed.
I will do it later. I am very sleepy.
Do not be late for the school bus, Tom.
Mom closes the bedroom door.
Tom is fast asleep again in 5 seconds. It is now 7:45. The clock clearly says 8 o'clock.
You're gonna be late. Get up right now. Tom, wake up. Tom, wake up, please. Tom, you're gonna be late. Wake up.
Tom sits up in bed very fast.
It is 8 o'clock. The bus comes in 2 minutes.
Tom's brown eyes open incredibly wide.
What is going on? Mom, I don't know. Oh no, I am so late. Tom, it's just 10 p.m. No, it's 8 a.m.
Tom throws the heavy blue blanket onto the floor.
Why didn't the alarm wake me up?
You pressed the snooze button too many times. He runs frantically into the bathroom.
He grabs his blue toothbrush.
Brush, brush, brush. I have to brush fast.
He squeezes the toothpaste tube too hard. White toothpaste flies onto the bathroom mirror.
Oops. What a mess.
He reaches for a towel but drops it on the wet floor.
I do not have time to pick it up. He takes off his red pajama top.
He grabs his yellow school shirt from the chair.
Where's the hole? Oh, I can't see anything. Finally. Man, that was close.
He tries to put on his blue jeans while standing up.
Whoa. This is too hard.
Tom grabs his heavy green school backpack.
Hurry up, Tom! You have no time for breakfast! I know, Mom. You will have to eat an apple on the way. Tom finds his white sneakers by the front door.
He pushes his feet into the shoes.
He does not even tie the shoelaces.
Chloe is standing by the door, completely ready.
You look very messy today, Tom. Move out of my way, Chloe! Ah! Tom throws the front door wide open.
Tom runs down the sidewalk incredibly fast.
I cannot miss the yellow school bus!
His untied shoelaces flop wildly as he runs.
Tom looks down the long, quiet street.
Wait for me! Please stop! Please!
He waves his arms high in the air.
But the street is empty.
In the far distance, the big yellow school bus is driving away. Tom stops running. He is breathing very hard.
He stands entirely alone at the empty bus stop.
Oh no. I missed the bus.
Tom drops his shoulders. He feels very sad and defeated.
Mom's silver car pulls up next to...
Get in the car, Tom. I have to drive you now.
I am sorry, Mom. I promise to wake up early tomorrow.
Tom walks slowly through the school gates, feeling very silly in his backward shirt.